Mahima, tell us more of what happened when the Delhi Police Commissioner took stock of the security arrangements.
Well, yes, Shivani, at present at the Singhu border, the Delhi CP is here. If I could tell my video journalist Ujjwal to kindly give you a picture and a sense, you can see the cavalcade of the commissioner here. He's gone inside to take the law and order situation so that no law and order situation is there. Particularly, it is to check onto the security at the border. Though we know that on the 29th, the farmers have agreed here at the Singhu border to have a dialogue, but certainly one major thing is concerned that they are still adamant of the fact that they want to repeal the laws. They are not moving from this particular demand that the law should not be repealed. Apart from that, the electricity demand and the penalty over the air quality, the stubble burning, there are varieties of demands by the farmers here at the Singhu border. So concerning is that whether they are not really clear about the farm laws, because we had Prime Minister Narendra Modi who spoke out to the farmers, who was very much clear about the MSP and the rest of the things, because the issue started with the MSP and now it has completely shifted the focus to electricity, the air quality. Yesterday, even Prime Minister Narendra Modi clearly mentioned that the issue is about the farms bill. Why to target the tolls? Why to have the toll plaza free? So a lot of things going on. We can clearly see that how this particular farm issue is being politicized. This is not about MSP, it seems, because when the government has said that it is clearly ready to have the MSP, they have said it clearly. The Prime Minister himself has said that the MSP will be there, the mandis will be strengthened, there's an interstate movement, and even he spoke about the contract farming, that the lands of the farmers will not be taken back. So whosoever is misleading the farmers, either they are the political party or some miscreants inside this particular agitation, they are not supposed to mislead. The final call has been given by the farmer union at the Singhu border is that on 29 they are really ready for the talks with the government, but the demand stays the same, that the demand is to repeal the laws. So why is the repeal only solution? Why can't the farmers go onto a middle ground when the government is open for the discussion, when the government is also ready to change the language of the farm laws according to the farmers' concern? What is the issue coming? So the basic question now arises whether it is really onto the MSP, because when it started, it kick-started from the MSP and the APMC mandis, to which not even Prime Minister Narendra Modi but the Union Agriculture Minister Narendra Tomar also clarified in the 8-page letter that was given to, this proposal was earlier also given to the farmers, but again and again the MSP is now not the issue. It seems that the other issues are now taking the rounds except the major 3 farm laws. So it seems that the farmers themselves are really confused of what actually they want. And here at the Singhu border, you can clearly see that how the Delhi CP is here. A kind of a vigilance is going on. The security check is going on. If I could tell my video journalist Ujjwal to kindly zoom in and say that how the security has been beefed up. The cavalcade is here. So clearly, Shivani, it seems that the farmers at the Singhu border, or be it with the Tikri border or Ghazipur, are just being adamant. They are saying that the government has kept the condition, but it seems that the government on one hand is completely open for the talks, but the farmers rather have quoted the condition to the government that they have to say a yes and no. But the government has said that the repeal is not possible. Binary, 0-1 binary is not possible. So they need to understand, they need to fix it, they need to come to a middle ground. Though the matter, they need to really fix it to some kind of a middle ground, because to repeal the laws is no solution. Yes, Shivani.
Right. Now, the release by the farmer unions clearly says that the agenda of the meeting should be the following and in the following order. So they are dictating what should be talked and in what order it should be spoken about. The first is the repealing of the laws. Second is issue of MSP. Third is the air quality and the stubble burning issue. And fourth is the Electricity Amendment Bill 2020, where some concerns have been raised that it will maybe fall negatively on the farmers, as states might not pay their dues or subsidies in time. But again, quite like the opposition to the farm laws, there is not anything concrete that one can say what is the issue as far as the Electricity Bill 2020 is concerned. There are fears being raised, but fears don't, alone make for repealing or amendments. But let me go across to Anuj also. Anuj has also been tracking the latest that is coming in on the farmers' unions. So, Anuj, the farmer unions are now, in a way, dictating to the government when, how, what they'll talk.
Well, this is 31st day since this agitation started. We have seen ups and downs happening in the farmer agitation, where numbers of political parties also even intervene. 5 round of talks has been already done. This is going to be 6th round of talk with the government of India. But the kind of line that has been taken by the farmers is something coming out with whether this will come to end or not, because since from the day one, government of India is making it very much clear that what can be done and what can not be done. Since from the day one, being it Amit Shah himself, the Home Minister of the country, being it Narendra Singh Tomar, being it Piyush Goyal, or rather the Prime Minister, is making it clear to the farmers that what exactly will be the pros and cons of the same, and this is never going to be against the farmer if we talk about these laws. But the lines that has been taken by the farmers again are same. Some of the points has been added which is never related to the farm laws rather. So this is making it clear. One, we do understand that there are numbers of group which is there in the agitation. So there is no single neta whom these farmers are leading. On the other hand, these are political parties who are intervening, farmers confused. That exactly has happened and what is going to be the ramification of the same. Although this is going to be very important again on 29, because something has reached to point, and that is why this conclusion has came out today, that there is going to be another round of meeting on 29.
But if we go by the order that the Kisan unions want followed, then the very first point, which is that modalities for the repealing of the laws be worked out, then it makes the offer of these talks absolutely conditional. It is unlikely the government will agree. They may still want the farmer unions to come onto the table and discuss other issues. Assurances have been given on MSP and even on the stubble burning issue. But we'll wait and see what happens. It seems like a non-starter at this stage, but let's see what happens. A big thanks to all of you for joining us.